you can view what I wanna do, what I wanna do, what I wanna do. Like high, yeah, you know there's no better view. From the top, 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 you got the top, top, top. Get ready, camera track, dog to the sideline. I'm just here to have a good time. I'm happy
There it is, guys. The most integrated beast of a platform for mixed reality processing. I'm very, very excited to see what our partners and everybody is going to be able to do with this, but this is the most advanced platform out there today for mixed reality products. All right, this is truly designed for premium mixed reality experiences from the ground up. It is longer lasting, sleeker and cooler devices that we can enable with it, and it's designed for Gen AI. Jumping into a few of the details, this platform is the first one to bring Adreno sliced architecture onto the XR side. And if you look at the data, we can do 60% higher performance at the same level of power as our last platform, or we can do 64% lower power at the same performance level. You can do all those complex use cases and the complex rendering experiences that you want to be able to build on mixed reality products. Same time, we've enhanced ray tracing capabilities to be able to bring in those realistic lighting and images and reflections and shadows to be able to create those amazing experiences as well. On the CPU side, we have actually enhanced the capability a lot as well. We can do 30% higher performance at the same power level, or 45% lower power at the same performance level compared to our previous generation XR2 Gen 2 platform. And what's very important in these products is video see-through quality. So we're really focused very heavily on video see-through quality. We have improved the pixel-to-pixel latency by 10% and reduced the power by 33%. And with inline spatial denoising and many other techniques, this is what we are able to do, comparing it to another platform that's there available on the market at this time. Much, much better image quality for video see-through. And this is possible by using platforms or blocks like EVA, which is our engine for visual analytics. We've enhanced the depth from stereo, and at the same time, we've enabled much lower powered 3D reconstruction. We've added 2 new accelerators also for 3D point cloud and triangulation and 3D reconstruction and meshing. And with these upgrades, here is what you get. You get amazingly super 3D reconstruction that you can see on one side, but at the same time, much, much more granularity on the depth from stereo that we're able to get on the mixed reality platform. Now, this also is designed for AI. So this has the Hexagon NPU engine, where we increase the performance by 160% at the same power level as the previous generation. And you can see the comparison with the other platform that's there on the market at this time. We are about 25% higher on trillions of operations per second that you can do for AI processing. So really a beast in terms of being able to create these new experiences like NPCs in games, to be able to do 3D content creation, to be able to do actual Gaussian splatting. So actually, if you walk over to our booth, you will see a full 3D avatar created using Gaussian splats, all of it running on the Snapdragon Reality Elite. Please check it out. It's actually connected to a large language model. It will talk back at you, so please do try it out. With this engine, we can do almost 45 tokens per second for a language model, or 1.7 seconds to create a completely new image. Here is what we can do with it. Please take a look at this demo. Here is what we are able to do. We can take an image, drag in another image to it. It uses basically a spatial diffusion model to be able to recreate that image on the fly. And you can see how quickly it's able to do that. Literally in quarter of a second. We can recreate an image in quarter of a second with the shape that you're dragging on over there. That's how you create those amazing virtual worlds, folks. And then at the same time, with the much better power consumption, we are able to reduce the temperature. So this will allow 12 degrees lower temperature on devices for the same load, 20% longer battery life as well. And we work with any type of form factor, whether tethered or all-in-one. And this, in a nutshell, is Snapdragon Reality Elite, the best platform out there for mixed reality processing at this time. Thank you.